In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a picture in Microsoft Word. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in your document's layout and design. Whether you're preparing a professional report or a personal project, knowing how to adjust images will help you create more polished and visually appealing documents. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Microsoft Word and load your document. Once your document is in front of you, scroll to the section where you have the image that you need to resize. This is an essential step because navigating directly to your picture ensures you know exactly what you're working with and allows you to make precise adjustments without any confusion. Now, once the document is open and you have located your image, what you want to do next is select the picture. Click on the image to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when you see small circles or squares, these are called selection handles, appear around the image. This indicates that the picture is ready to be edited. Once the picture is selected, you're going to want to refer to the format you're aiming for. In case you're unsure about what the various formats are, let's go over a few standard photo sizes. The 2R format measures 2.5 by 3.5 inches. The 3R format is 3.5 by 5 inches. The 4R comes in at 4 by 6 inches. And the 5R format is slightly larger at 5 by 7 inches. Knowing your desired dimensions is crucial as it keeps your resizing process efficient and reinforces a consistent theme within your document. With your selected picture and dimensions in mind, you'll now move on to the Picture Format tab, which should appear in the toolbar at the top of your screen once your image is selected. Click on the tab to reveal a host of editing options specifically tailored for image modification. Here you'll find options to adjust both the height and the width of your image. The key is to modify these fields according to the format size you want, making sure that the aspect ratio stays locked if you want to maintain the picture's original proportions. Adjust the height and width by either typing in the specific numbers or by clicking the small increment arrows until you reach the desired size. Be sure to check that everything looks right. And that's it. Once you've tinkered with the height and width until you're satisfied, you've successfully resized your image within Microsoft Word. Now take a moment to view your whole document to ensure that the new image size fits well with the rest of your layout. This simple process can really optimize the visual impact and professionalism of your document. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in creating beautifully formatted documents in the future.